This ain't with QualityStocks. Today's Thursday, October 21st, 2010. Today we're going to take a look at RAME Energy Resources. This is a NASDAQ capital market stock trading under ticker RAME. Had a nice little uptrend going beginning part of the year. Solid channel downward right now, but it looks like it's trying to hit a historic support level. So we're going to keep an eye on this for a possible upward movement. MACD and PPO going right along with that downtrend. Got the reversal with the bounce through there. Nice bounce, $1.36 up to $1.70. Have an uptrend going. Histogram about ready to cross back through zero, telling us we're getting another bullish cross. It's a nice looking part of the chart. ADX, we always talk about that negative DI being on top and the positive DI being on the bottom. That ADX cutting right through the middle of them. We call that an ADX play. It's in a nice position for this to try and make a move off the bottom in a position like this. Look for that positive DI to come shooting back up through the negative and the ADX at that point. Then we'll look for a continued movement based on everything else moving along with it. RSIs, close proximity to each other, all right around 50. It's kind of a breaking point for it. We want to see that push through 50, all three of them together. This 21 is coming on a nice uptrend. 14, a little bit of downtrend to it, but that should turn real quickly and make its way back up through. What's important is some buying pressure now at this point to keep it and make it hold over 50. We want to see it trending over 50 to give some strength to the chart. Accumulation distribution, there was that big drop off, a little bump move. Little move it's trying to put together now. I'd like to see that try and break through this level, right through there, and make a new higher high and establish an upward channel. Jake and money flow has moved back into the green, telling you that buying pressure is overcoming selling pressure at this point. Nice uptrend it had going with it. Nice break back through zero. CCI also on a little bit of a long-term uptrend through here, holding over negative 100. That's important. CCI has a nice look to it as well. Full still fighting to not dip down below 20, which puts it into oversold territory, which is not that big of a deal if it dips down in there. The stow tends to want to go to extremes a lot of times. Right now, what you want to see is uptrend continue with it, and like so many of the other indicators, break through 50 and trend up above it. It makes a lot stronger of a chart. The TRIX is just now starting to get a little bit of an uptrend going. Looks like we might get a bearish cross, but it's kind of flatlining out, so it might just bounce off of. The TRIX is pretty notorious for bouncing off that signal line, so you look for it to flatten out a little bit. What you want to see now is it bounce off that signal line and continue trending back towards zero. RSIs are in a very nice position. All three together again. A little bit of uptrend going on with all three of them. Hate to beat a dead horse, but you want to see it through 50. That puts it into bull chart territory. What's nice about this chart is a historic support level right through this area. Bounced off of it. Even tried to wick down real large right here and pulled back up there about a month or so ago in September. Bounced off $1.36 again, bounced off $1.33 with a lower shadow, pulled back up to close the day. And again, still trending right around that area now. We've got the 20-day moving average right there at $1.48. You see it's closed at $1.44. So we're going to look for it to try and break through that first moving average resistance. And down the road, there's going to be the big dog. You see it has a hard time moving through this 50-day. It is always a solid form of resistance. So we're going to look for this to make a move up this way and try and take out that 50-day. Getting up into here, we'll make the parabolic SAR flip, which will give you a new stop and reversal point down here. It'll be back down around the support level. So this is a pretty good chart to keep an eye on. So it had a gap up yesterday. So we'll be looking for a reversal. You want to see another green candle put in here to give some confirmation to this and see if this can start a new trend. Again, all based on this having a decent support level right here around $1.36. Another important thing to note about this chart is the downtrend channel, kind of correlating with that 50-day moving average. That's what we want to see it break out of. You can see that this channel is pretty stout right now, right somewhere right around through there. So we want to see it try and break through this channel. Most importantly, the top side of this, make a new higher high if it possibly can, get up here and challenge possibly the 200-day moving average. Very solid gains, about 20% from this bottom point where it is now. But again, that's a little bit down the road. Right now, we're just looking for the reversal to happen. Challenge this 50-day. These are the kind of things I'm going to be looking at with RAME. As always, this chart is merely my interpretation. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thank you and trade smart.